Hello subscribers and everyone else that is watching this video. Welcome to my weekly Linux news, 25th February 2018. First off, we start with great news for the KDE community and the Linux community and free software as a whole. KDE receives $200,000 donation from the Pineapple Fund. With this donation, the Pineapple Fund recognizes that KDE, as a community, creates software which benefits the general public, advances the use of free software on all kinds of platforms, and protects users' privacy by putting first-class and easy-to-use tools in the hands of the people at zero cost. KDE joins a long list of prestigious charities, organizations, and communities that the Pineapple Fund has so generously donated to. Well, I'm more of a GNOME user, but I fully recognize the merits of KDE and the software they produce, especially KDE Plasma, which is a great desktop environment with lots of features. So this is certainly good news and will definitely help them in the future. And next up, we continue with some KDE news, as KWin seems to be getting a Vulkan renderer. So for those who don't know, KWin is the default window manager used by the KDE Plasma desktop, just like Meta on the GNOME desktop. Vulkan is a low-level, high-performance 3D graphics API alternative to OpenGL, also used primarily in 3D game development, especially on Linux. The main advantage of Vulkan over OpenGL is that it provides the developer a greater level of control, therefore making it easier to make some optimizations to boost the performance of hardware-accelerated graphics. Now, if we visit the commit logs of KWin's Git repository, we can see that there's a new experimental branch called Fredrik/Vulkan. Developer Fredrik Hoklund has been busy over the past week slowly adding support for Vulkan rendering on KWin. You can see, for instance, here some messages like Vulkan window, rendered shadows, Vulkan, implement Vulkan shadow, Vulkan window, render the decorations. This is interesting because so far KWin as well as GNOME's Meta have only used OpenGL for composition, thus performance has more or less stabilized. On the other hand, if Vulkan rendering is to be used in production by KWin, it could unleash new performance gains, giving an edge to KDE Plasma over GNOME down the road. However, the work is still in early stages, so we will have to wait to find out. And to wrap it up this week, Nix 2.0 released. Nix is a powerful package manager that stands out from other Linux package managers like apt, DNF or Pacman because of its purely functional approach to package management, making it reliable and reproducible. It provides atomic upgrades, but crucially, it also provides atomic rollbacks. On top of that, there's also support for side-by-side installation of multiple versions of the same package, and multi-user package management, since users can use Nix without root privileges to install packages on their own home directory. Nix version 2.0 is a major release, and the most significant change is the introduction of a new single command named Nix, which is intended to eventually replace all the individual Nix-* commands. This provides a more consistent and better designed user interface, much like the new apt command did to commands like apt-get, apt-cache, and others. You can see here the new single command named Nix and its new syntax. Using, for instance, here, copy has the first argument, instead of having a command name nix -copy. Additionally, the nix store abstraction has been significantly extended, and the security has been improved in various ways. That's it, guys. If you'd like to watch more videos like this one, please consider hitting the subscribe button below. As always, use Linux long and prosper.